is the common salts in daily life. So we will now discuss what is salt and how it is formed, and basically we will discuss these 5 important salts, that is sodium chloride, that is NaCl, then we have KNO3, that is potassium nitrate, then we have AlCl3, aluminium chloride, then we have CuSO4, that is copper sulfate, and the last is CH3COON, that is sodium acetate. And in all these 5 important salts, and we will basically discover from what acid and from what base they are being made or they are being prepared. Because when we talk about salts, so salts are basically prepared from the chemical reaction between an acid and a base, which produce salt and water. This type of a reaction is known as the neutralization reaction. So let us now discuss each of these salts one by one. In the case of sodium chloride, basically sodium chloride is made from a strong base and a strong acid. That is, we have NaOH, sodium hydroxide, reacting with hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. Both of them are strong acid and strong base respectively. Hence, NaCl is known as a neutral salt. The next we have potassium nitrate. So potassium nitrate is prepared from potassium hydroxide, that is KOH, and we have nitric acid, HNO3. We can also say that KOH is actually, we can say, a weak base, whereas HNO3 is referred to as a strong acid. So we can say that KNO3 or potassium nitrate is actually an acidic salt. The third is AlCl3, which is actually prepared from aluminium hydroxide, AlOH whole thrice. Then we have hydrochloric acid. It is also, we can say, acidic or a neutral salt depending upon the aluminium hydroxide, the strength of aluminium hydroxide. The fourth is actually copper sulfate, which is the most commonly used salt after sodium chloride, which is actually blue in color. So it is also referred to as blue vitriol. It is prepared from copper hydroxide, that is CuOH whole twice, and we have sulfuric acid. So sulfuric acid is known as the king of acids, and because of its strength, it is a very strong acid similar to that of HCl. The last is known as the acetic acid and sodium. So when we have acetic acid reacting with sodium hydroxide, like we have NaOH, that is a strong base, reacting with vinegar, that is acetic acid, which is actually a weak base, we will get actually a basic salt because of the reaction between a strong base and a weak acid. So we will get sodium acetate. Always, if we have two different compounds two different elements in a compound, we always refer to the name of the metal, or generally it is generally the metal. So the name of the metal appears first when we are naming that chemical compound. Hence its name is sodium acetate. So these were the 5 important salts, 5 really very important salts from the examination point of view. It is generally asked how this salt is prepared. You have to identify the acid or the base or both of them to make that salt. So this was the concept on the important salts in daily life. We have discussed how the salt is prepared, that is from the neutralization reaction, and then we have discussed the acid and the base present in all these 5 important salts.